Hi everyone, welcome back to Learning Spark English. I'm Sarah. Today, we're going to learn some common jobs and occupations in English. Let's get started. Programmer. 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 Example: the programmer writes computer code. The programmer writes computer code. Photographer. 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 Example: the photographer takes beautiful pictures. The photographer takes beautiful pictures. Journalist. 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 Example: the journalist writes news stories. The journalist writes news stories.
Judge. 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 Example: the judge made a fair decision. The judge made a fair decision. Actor. Actor. Example: the actor appears in movies. The actor appears in movies. Singer. 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 Example: the singer sings on stage. The singer sings on stage. Musician. 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 Example: the musician plays the guitar. The musician plays the guitar. Artist. 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 Example: the artist paints beautiful pictures. The artist paints beautiful pictures. Accountant. 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 Example: the accountant checks the company's finances. The accountant checks the company's finances. Manager. 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 Example: the manager leads the team. The manager leads the team. Banker. 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 Example: the banker works at a bank. The banker works at a bank. Receptionist. 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 Example: the receptionist answers the phone. The receptionist answers the phone. Cashier. 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 Example: the cashier takes the customer's payment. The cashier takes the customer's payment. Salesperson. 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 Example: the salesperson helps customers choose products. The salesperson helps customers choose products. Businessman. 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 Example: the businessman owns a company. The businessman owns a company. Real estate agent. Real estate agent. Real estate agent. Example: the real estate agent sells houses. The real estate agent sells houses. Tour guide. Tour guide. Tour guide. Example: the tour guide shows us the city. The tour guide shows us the city. Librarian. 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 Example: the librarian helps people find books. The librarian helps people find books. Cleaner. 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 Example: the cleaner cleans the office. The cleaner cleans the office. Delivery driver. Delivery driver. Delivery driver. Example: the delivery driver delivers food. The delivery driver delivers food. Construction worker. Construction worker. Construction worker. Example: the construction worker builds houses. The construction worker builds houses. Housekeeper. 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 Example: the housekeeper cleans the hotel rooms. The housekeeper cleans the hotel rooms. News anchor. News anchor. News anchor. Example: the news anchor reads the news. The news anchor reads the news. Athlete. 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 Example: the athlete trains every day. The athlete trains every day. Coach. 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 Example: the coach trains the team. The coach trains the team.
Midwife. 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 Example: the midwife helps mothers during childbirth. The midwife helps mothers during childbirth. Tailor. 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 Example: the tailor makes beautiful clothes. The tailor makes beautiful clothes. Butcher. 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 Example: the butcher sells fresh meat. The butcher sells fresh meat. Gardener. 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 Example: the gardener takes care of the plants. The gardener takes care of the plants. Fisherman. 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 Example: the fisherman catches fish. The fisherman catches fish. Sailor. 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 Example: the sailor works on a ship. The sailor works on a ship. Security guard. Security guard. Security guard. Example: the security guard protects the building. The security guard protects the building. Entrepreneur. 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 Example: the entrepreneur runs a successful business. The entrepreneur runs a successful business.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel Learning Spark, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. Also, follow us on our social media platforms for more English tips, daily expressions, and extra practice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.